Ngicela sibheke ama-brand akhona-ke la ka-Amway. Njengoba sithi u-Amway from 1959, right? U-Amway, ama-product akhona Best of Nature and Best of Science. Then sino Neutralite, which is ama-supplement ethu. Siya-supplementa ubuhle buqale ngaphakathi buphumele ngaphandle. Right, that is health and wellness. Sibe no-artist ukuthi ebusweni asibe bahle. Then a-plant-based wonke and organic. Right, that is personal care. Sibe no-Glisti oral care yethu. Akube kuhle kube mnandi emlonyeni. Sibe no-Espring opurify amanzi. Amanzi esiwaphuzayo esiwasebenzisayo awabe purified abe mahle. Sibe no-home care, which is multi-purpose cleaner. Osithi LOC, sibe no dish drop, sibe no scrub butter bahlala istilo sakho nosebenzisa esi2 for the whole year. And these other products zoku clean LOC and dish drop uyakwazi ukuthi because of i-concentration yazo uthi uma uyisebenzisa uyifake emanzini awu-10 liters each. Yes, usebenzise for like 4 months and more. Sibe no GNH, goodness and health. Sino protect vimzimba yethu ngaphandle, sibe no nourish, sibe no refresh, sibe bahle emzimbeni yethu. Siwashe futhi ngama product ka-Amway esithi sine SA8 i-laundry. So there are so many products are organic and plant-based. Uma ingakuphathanga kahle, bring it back. Uthole imali yakho owuthenga enye product. Ngiyabonga.